Hi everybody! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a link shortener on social media. Shorter links have better click-through rates and save on space for more caption content, especially platforms like Twitter and Instagram where there are limitations to the number of characters in your caption. So, let's say you're on the content calendar and you're scheduling a post for Twitter. The first thing you want to do is on your content calendar page, go to the account that you want to post on, click this three-dot, and then choose Account Settings. Make sure that the Short Links Enabled box is checked, and then go ahead and click Save. This enables you to use short links on this account. So now let's go back to our new post. Now go ahead and write in your caption. And then go ahead and paste in your link. You'll see that whatever you're linking to will show up here, and this link will automatically be shortened once you post or schedule your post. So let's schedule this post, choose our preferred date and time, and then hit schedule. Now if I come down to my post and click it, you'll see that that original link has now been shortened. I want to quickly talk about UTM tracking links. If you're on a paid plan with Simplified, you'll be able to use our data analytics to track your posts whenever you use a UTM link. This is a great way to stay on top of your data analytics and see what posts are performing and what posts are not. Remember, accurate and specific marketing management are your best tools when developing your social media strategy. Thanks for watching, guys. We'd love to hear from you in the comments, and check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified social media tools can help you every step of the way. See you there.